There's extreme measures that they can do. So they've raised the debt limit 100 times, I believe, since World War II. So there's extreme measures, which the measures are not measures that anybody wants to know about, because the money is borrowed from a lot of different places right now until they decide. Social Security, healthcare, and what they'll do is they'll cut back on a lot of government services. And so we'll be in a sort of a shutdown. They could stop paying wages for many different government employees. So it's not a situation that anybody really wants. But there'll be some people in government that will hold out because they're going to want some kind of resolution that stops the bleeding. And they're going to say, well, let's try to curtail the spending and let's try to slow things down. You know, you'll have conservative politicians that'll talk about, you know, let's do some audits of the Federal Reserve. Let's see where this money's going, and they'll hem and haw, but eventually they'll unfortunately lose, and they'll raise the debt ceiling. You know, it's going to be 28.5 trillion. So they'll raise it again, and then we'll have the same thing happen in a few years. It really comes down to what is our GDP to debt ratio that is not sustainable. We're at like 106%. Is it 110%? Where's the number where does it break us? And where does the economy collapse? And we were testing it. 20 years ago, our debt to GDP was like in the 80% range. So we're already above. So we bring in less money than we distribute out as a country. So I don't know. Is it 120%? I don't know what the number is. If you have any more questions about investing in precious metals, check us out, noblegoldinvestments.com, or give us a call, 877-646-5347.